Hey guys, I'm at the Coburns Road level crossing in Melton South. This is a 2-gate, 2-signal crossing on the Ballarat line, which sees Ballarat trains to Ballarat and to Wendouree. This first signal we have here has an unmarked base, a Western Colonnades gate mechanism, a white with black writing stop on red signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse crossarm, a 2-track sign, a red background crossbar, a Western Colonnades Type 3 E-bell, a flat gate with 3 unipart gate lights. Okay, and on this side here, we have an unmarked base, a Western Colonnades gate mechanism, a white with black writing stop on red signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse crossarm, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse crossarm, a 2-track sign, a red background crossbuck, a Western Colonnades Type 3 E-bell, a flat gate with 3 unipart gate lights. I'm just filming the crossing.